This account was suspended. I appealed and I got it reinstated. As you can see, now the account is back on Facebook. This is exactly what you do if your Facebook account is suspended and it says you have 180 days left to appeal. First of all, come and click on the appeal button, and then it will take you to another page where you will be asked to do a screen recording of your face. So they will take a selfie of your face, your right ear, left ear. They will ask for other directions. For example, they may ask you to upload your ID card, and when you're uploading the ID card, make sure it is an ID card that has your real name, your Facebook, the name that is on your Facebook. It must be the same name that is appearing on your ID card, and it should be your face that's also showing on it, then your date of birth and all that. So you can use national identity card, you can use a passport, you can also use driving license and any other identity document. Then click on next, and then after you submit, it will tell you that you have submitted an appeal, and you can check back about within 1 day for the result. Then within the 24 hours, if your account is really reinstated, if you really did it well and didn't violate any policy or community standard, it will bring you here, and then it will tell you that you are back on Facebook. As you can see, it says click on back to Facebook. So when I come here and then I click on back to Facebook, then it just brings me to Facebook. So if you follow this process, you'll be able to reinstate your suspended Facebook account. If you follow it and you still have any problem, you can follow the WhatsApp or the Telegram link in the description of this video. You can also follow you can also leave your comments in the comment section. Remember to also subscribe and turn on the notification bell and like this video. We are into digital marketing, Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads. We do web development. Any of the services you need, if you contact us, we'll help you. We can also get on Zoom with you, help you reinstate your account. See you in the next video, and bye.